All right, guys, good day to you. It's a great shock that some persons are still finding it difficult to know how to build their bias or know how to start the analysis. So I've received a lot of messages and I've been reading your comments on my posts, which made me to create this video. So this video is for you, and I am just doing this to assist you as well. So now this is only help you will give to me is to make sure after watching this video, or you can do it right now, click on the like button, also click on the subscriptions button, and you can leave your views in the comment section while I'll be live in answering all of your questions. So without further ado, let's quickly proceed. Now on today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I do build my bias and how I do take my trades. So the first thing I want to do here, you can see we're on the daily time frame. You can start your analysis from the weekly time frame. But the first thing I need to do when I'm on my chart or when I enter my chart, the first thing I want to do, I want to see the direction of the market, what market is doing, where it's coming from, and where it's heading to. You get. Now you can see currently on the weekly time frame, you agree with me that let's say we are bearish. Yes, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. Yeah, I will say we are bearish. Actually, we are bearish. Yeah, understand? We are bearish. But you can see what market is trying to move where to the upside. You can see it. So now let's move to the day. Okay, let's pick our weekly candle range and see what we have here. So for our weekly candle range, this new candle, don't forget, this new candle is just the new week. Today is already Monday. This little candle there, today is already Monday. So if we want to pick our weekly candle, let's say we started our analysis from the weekend, like weekly outlook again. So this candle should be the candle should be making use of this particular candle here. This will be the high, and also this will be the low. Please, I don't want to really take much time here. I don't want to rush this video because I want you to really get the message here. So please, if you can't wait to watch this video, maybe if it's around 1 hour 30 minutes, please just go and do something else. Yeah, I really want to pass a message that everyone will get it very, very right. So you can see this is our weekly candle range. But now next thing you want to see is that, you know, when we mark our weekly candle range, what is in your head? You want to see market doing something like taking out this low, trade to the opposite side, or taking out this side, trade to the opposite side. But yeah, this is something again I've experienced sometime that, let's say when you mark your candle range this way, you'll notice that market has mitigated a V level or a level here, somewhere here. So now you don't expect market to trade down and take this again, but rather you expect market to do a continuation. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Yeah, don't worry, you'll get to understand it better. Now let's see something. If we switch to a line chart, now let's see if this level has been tapped, this low, this candle range low. Let's mark it from here and see. Okay, we have this level here. Right, we have this level here. It has been used. Then also we have this V level here as well. Let's see. Okay, so now having this, what are we going to do next? Let's switch to the candlestick and see. Okay, all right, so you agree with me that this level has been used multiple times and also touched. And let's see, let's extend it to this other side. Okay, so it hasn't been used, so this level is still fresh. We can still use this. Actually, it's not fresh. You can see this got tapped and this made it to be fresh. This black and blue candle made it, but you can see this week make it not to be fresh. So I'm not expecting market to trade down to this side again. So I'm expecting a continuation to the upside. So if we are waiting for a continuation to the upside, I think if I should use my target, I wouldn't use that week range as my target. Actually, I may decide to use this or use this level here because I expect market to trade to this side. So this should be my target. Let's just mark it for now. This should be my target. Then let's proceed. Now let's go to the daily. I would love to use my daily candle range instead in this particular video. So let's just take this out for now. Then let's mark our daily candle range. We have this candle here. We have this black candle, which is our previous day, which is on Friday. This particular new candle is on Monday. This is Monday around to 7 that I'm making this video. You get. So now for me personally, I think let's switch to a line chart and see. Let me pick another level. Now you need to be very, very logical about this you are doing. You don't just come to your chart and start marking. No, that's what I always tell people. Make sure you practice what you are doing so you get better in it. So this level here, this is a resistance broken, turned to support, which is what I'm seeing here. So my focus will be on this level. Let me change the color to red. My focus will be on this level. So let's do something like this now. Then I can decide to use this candle as my candle range. Let me use this as my liquidity instead. Let's use this as our liquidity. You can see the way I'm building my barrier. So you need to be very, very logical. You need to think. Don't just okay, because I didn't draw this way. Let's redraw it. So I think this video will take much time, but try to get the information. Yeah. Now let's take out all this. It's not necessary for me right now. Let's just do this like this. So now this is what I'm having. What am I expecting? I'm expecting NZD/USD to do what? To trade to this downside like this, to come down here, react from here, and start going to the upside. So this is what I'm expecting. Okay. Now, if you want to see something here, you may even decide not to use these targets. Like if you have watched my previous video, I always tell you guys that I have the knowledge of SMC, I have the knowledge of trend line, breakout and retest, also have the knowledge of supply and demand. You get. So now maybe you're wondering where you should put your target. If you don't want to use this, or you don't want to use this high here, also you don't want to use this, now you can decide to do something. Let's say if you understand trend line, breakout and retest, you notice or you know that when a trend line is being formed, market do what? Market comes to do what? To takes out the liquidity resting on the trend line, right? That's what market do or does. So we expect what? All these touches on the trend line, they are liquidity, and they can also be used as target points to take your profit on, because we expect market to sweep all this out. Yes, it's just logical. That is how it is. So you may decide to say, okay, instead of using this place, instead of using somewhere here as your take profit, you can decide to use this high here, or decide to use this. Or if you are greedy enough, you can decide to take it down to this place here. So for me personally, I think I will be taking this trade on my profit if I see a confirmation or a reason to enter. So I wouldn't want to hold this down to this top here. I'm not a swing trader, but sometimes I swing some of my trade. So I think I will just hold it here. This will be my targets, guys. So if you don't want to miss out on this particular trade when it forms and when I get every necessary confirmation I need, if you don't want to miss it, or if you want to watch how or learn how I was able to enter this, my SL, my take profit, every information and every data as you need, here is what I will advise you to do. Click on the link on my bio. If you are watching from our TikTok, click on the link on my bio to join my Telegram channel, or if you are watching from our YouTube, do where to click on the video description, whereby I will drop a link to join my Telegram channel. Make sure you join and stay tuned, because I also drop every trades I'm taking, like every trades I'm taking. I share there for free. No VIP, no signal group, no paid sheet, man. So just join, then you can learn from everything I'll be sharing with you, all my guides and everything. I said everything. So if you're enjoying this particular teaching, do it to like this video, leave your views below the comment section. I'll be live in answering of your question. And this is your first time of coming across this channel, I believe you want to subscribe and turn on the notification, so when next we drop an awesome video as this, you'll be the first to be notified. So see you guys in the next one.